Live from her desk, it's Mrs. La Rosa. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you. You shouldn't have. Thank you. Alrighty, so the last time we met, we were going over how to solve equations using algebra tiles. We did the one step for 6th grade and the 2-step 7th grade versions of them. Unfortunately, we cannot give you algebra tiles on the SOL, but I have a solution, and that's to use pictures to help you solve equations. So that's what we're going to go over today. You see here, we are using different pictures than what we're used to with our algebra tiles. Our variables had been those long skinny pieces. Our constants had been those little yellow and red squares. But today we have a key. Key tells us what things are. Our triangles are our variables today, and our ovals are our ones. So what would this equation be? What would these represent? Those would be 2x's, yeah. So we'd write that as 2x. And then what would this be? That's 5. What kind of 5 are they? Positive 5, because that's a positive 1. So we'd put a plus there. And that all equals what numbers here? 11. So that's the equation that would match this situation. So what would we do? If this was our algebra tiles, we'd be taking away our constants from both sides. What would that look like? I take away 1 from each side until I can't do that anymore. I take away 2. I take away 3. I take away 4. I can take 5 away from both sides. So now all I have left are 2x's, and that's equal to 6, because there's 6 ovals left. And remember, to solve an equation, the whole point of this is to figure out what is our variable equal. What is one of those x's equal? I need to take these 2 and to divide those 6 pieces into those 2 groups. It's kind of easy to see here. There's one group, there's the other group. So these go with this variable, these go with that variable. So x would equal how many? X would equal 3. And there's our answer, we solved it. Go us, go team. Let's try the next one. Similar thing, the equation we start off with. What do those 3 triangles represent? Those are 3 x's. And there's 3 ovals. What kind of 3? Yeah, we need to write that plus in there because otherwise it looks like 3 times 3, but that's not what we have. We've got 3x plus 3 equals, how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. We've got 15 on that side. So this equation starts off 3x plus 3 is equal to 15. What's the first thing we want to do? Yeah, we want to get the variables alone. You'll hear your teacher say we're going to isolate that variable. Isolate means get it alone. Like if you catch COVID, you have to isolate. You have to go be alone, go be by yourself so you don't get other people sick. Isolate means to get alone. So I can take away 1, 2. I can take away 3 from both sides, and what's left? I still have 3 x's. But those 3 are gone now. I took them away from both sides. And over here I have left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. So now we're at 3x equals 12. Let me zoom in for this part. So in our first question, focus. It was really easy to see where these 2 groups were and how many were in each group. I need to make 3 groups over here, but it is not pretty. It is not easy for me to see. So one strategy that I've had my students do in the past is they've liked naming these pieces as A, B, C. And then just going over here and just saying, this piece, you're going to go to A, you're going to go to B, you're going to C. You're going to A, you're going to B, you're going to C. You're going to A, you're going to B, you're going to C. You're going to A, you're going to B, you're going to C. And we're going to count. How many of these pieces went to A? 1, 2, 3, 4. So A had 4 pieces go to it. How many B's? 1, 2, 3, 4. As we learned before, last time we met, they should all equal the same. 1, 2, 3, 4 C's. So each one of my X's would have how many go to it? Each X would have 4 pieces go to it. And there's my answer. So first, we need to get rid of the constants. Then divide out your pieces to your variables. Go ahead, try the next one on your own. Pause the video, try the next one on your own. Once you've done this one, I'll go over it. I'll play, once you've solved this one, keep playing the video and you'll be able to check your answer. And then I'll have you try the last 2 full out on your own, okay? So go ahead, pause the video real quick. Solve this one on your own. Good luck. Did you really pause the video or are you just trying to go through this fast? I hope you got an answer. Whoops, throwing my pins. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 15 is equal to 4x's plus 3. I can take away 3 on both sides. So now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. That's 12 on that side. And 4x is left over here because those 3 are gone from both sides. So now I've got my 12 pieces. I need them in 4 groups. And my brain recognizes I don't have to ABC this one. But if you need to, that's okay. Go through ABC it if you need to. But I can also see I have 4 groups if I look at it this way. So you go here, you go there, you go there, you go there. So each one of my X's is going to equal 3 because there's 3 in each of my 4 groups. Hopefully you got that. If you need to rewind and watch that top part again, rewind it, watch that top part again. Otherwise, go ahead, try these 2 on your own. We will check it once I come back after Thanksgiving break together. Good luck, guys.